what you need to do, you just put this URL on Google, and search up this page, and then this page will come up. Then start register here nicely. Fill all the information. Maybe this website maybe will not provide you the exact right city. That's the problem with the script, but otherwise it will work perfectly okay. So fill all this information and then just log in. And log in. I'm gonna log in for you now. And after that, if you want to, I'll give you a very very quick tour of this website. And you will see, if you, first of all, this setting sign, just I would say choose this box and this box. That will be very helpful to see all the orders nicely. So, and we recommend, if you use this website on the computer as a professional business, that will be very good. On the phone, appearance is very small, maybe you will be maybe confused with it. So laptops or computers are very good. So in that case, if you want to place order, first of all, here add Imei service, and then you go in the group. So what we done, we put O2 in one group, FRPs in one group, AT&T in one group, and Vodafone in one group, and then you can see the services there as well. So if you press O2 and you write down here iPhone, and you will see all the services here around. But some services are very neat and clean to find. And the most popular service we are doing, Samsung FRP. So if you write down in Samsung, in his group, and you'll see the bottom one and the top one is only £5. But this is, make sure please, it's Android 12 or lower. So, and this is WhatsApp after place order, so means you need to contact me after placing order. So whenever you want to place order, just go here, put IMEI number, and the last box will be autofill. So database will pick the last number itself. So if your IMEI is correct, the last digit of your IMEI and here will be matched. Comments, you can write down your customer name or something, how much he paid, how much he owe, or everything like that if you want. If you don't want anything, you don't need to fill out anything, and just place order. And if you go Samsung again, if I write down in the group Samsung again, you will see the bottom one. This is the most popular service which work with auto API, means you don't need no need any human interface in it. So just click that and just write down IMEI comments and place order. And if you are confused, if you need more information, all the description around here, so you can see which models are supported, which or not. Most of the models are supported, but one thing more, if if anything happen and model is not supported, this service will, within 4 to 7 minutes, they will reply you with success or with rejection. If it's rejected, you will get your refunds straight away back on your credits here, which are here. So you can see straight away it will come up. If you place order and you are looking for when it will come arrive, when it will be here, so keep an eye on your emails and keep an eye here as well. So order history, so all the order histories, rejected, success, in process, everything will appear here, so you don't need to bother anybody. And if this Samsung service rejects, don't work, then we will say another service here, sounds remote. If you write down remote, and you'll see this service come up, and this service is £13 nowadays. Sometimes it's £14, some is £13. And as well, this service is a worldwide service, and this is WhatsApp service too, means you need to text me. And this service after 4:30 every day, and Saturday and Sunday is bit lazy, so maybe response will be little bit slow. So keep in mind, any phone comes up before that time, it will be done straight away. And as well, if you place any order like Vodafone, just write down Vodafone here and it will come up. So if you are confused which service we have to buy, just learn, call me, text me which phone you have, what service is asking. And like this Vodafone service will provide only NCK code, not MCK code. So please ask me what service is suitable. So I'll guide you. Within 4 or 5 times you will learn everything. You know how to order, how to work out all these things. And if you receive some credits back or something like that, my statement, and you will see everything here, what's happening on your account. And you need to add credits to start this website. So add funds, and you can see here's the first option is PayPal. PayPal means 5% tax. If you pay £10, we will charge £10.50. But if you select bank statement here, bank transfer, bank details around here, just put money in this account and text me, please add these credits in it. So I already sent the money. You don't need to pay any extra charge on it. So that's the best way to do it. And normally people put 10, 15, 20 pounds. So at the same time, when customer there, you don't need to panic. And if you have any questions, let me know and I will explain to you. And most of the people, if you log out, you will see now what we are doing here. So you see all banners are here. So people are using this website to do trades. Since 3 years I was using same website and was trading through WhatsApp with people who don't know this website exists or not, or maybe they don't want to learn more. So in that case, you can start your own business and we can help you. And we can put you in VIP group as well, so you will get the best prices. And we have direct sources which are the fastest and cheapest in the world. So we don't have any mediums or third parties. So I hope you would sign up and try these services. And these are the best for individuals, and day and a night, 24 hours, you can do anytime anything. And the auto replies you will receive straight away. Great, thank you, bye bye.